So for the following video, we're going to simplify the given expression. And we have negative 3w cubed over x, all being raised to the second power. So in order to simplify this problem here, we need to be aware of our power rules. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the different power rules that we have. Okay, there's 3 variations to the power rule. Okay, and these are all 3 of them here. We have power rule 1, power rule 2, power rule 3. And typically when we're working with the power rules, especially something like this in fraction form raised to an exponent, we typically start at power rule 3 and work our way down. We do 3, then 2, then 1. Because here we're given a fraction, and the entire fraction is raised to the second power. If the entire fraction is raised to the second power, that second power belongs to the numerator, and it also belongs to the denominator. So that means everything in the numerator is getting raised to the second power, and everything in the denominator is getting raised to the second power. That's what power rule 3 says. And then we need to take a look at each one of those individually and see what else we can do. Because in the numerator, we have negative 3w cubed all raised to the second. Now that's power rule 2. Power rule 2 says when you have multiple things on the inside of the parentheses that are getting multiplied, all being raised to an exponent, everything inside those parentheses gets raised to that exponent. So that means negative 3 gets raised to the second, and w cubed gets raised to the second. Now, in the denominator, x raised to the second power is just x squared. Nothing too crazy going on with that one. Now, taking a look at the numerator, the first thing we have is negative 3 squared. Now, negative 3 squared, we can take care of that. Negative 3 squared means negative 3 times negative 3, which is a positive 9. Then we have w cubed raised to the second. That is power rule 1 that says when we have a base raised to a power, then raised to a power, I double exponent here, you keep that same base and multiply those exponents. So we keep that w and we do 3 times 2, which is 6, over x squared. Now we kind of just want to take a look, make sure there's nothing else left to do. We don't have any like bases, so we can't really do much with those. We don't have any negative exponents or anything like that. So it does look like we are done with this problem.